Hey you guys, today I am making steak. I have ribeye steaks. Yeah. Extra thin. See them? Ribeye steaks. Alright, you're gonna get the pepper out. Alright. Pepper, make sure you season them down. Flip it over. Add pepper on this side, you guys. Alright. Alright, so I got my pepper. I'm gonna grab me some salt, you guys. A little bit of salt. I'm just gonna pour it in my hands and put it over the steak, so I don't put too much on it. Flip it. Add some salt. Flip it again, you guys. Add a little bit of salt. Rub it in. I have some steak seasoning. I like to pour a little bit of that on there. I have some of this. So I add some of this to it, yeah. And then you flip it on the other side. Alright, you guys, I'm making a ribeye steak. Alright, and I got my pan going with my butter. And I'm going to put the steak over there. Alright, it's the steak. And I'm going to put it in my pan. Look how good that steak look. You see that butter, y'all? Alright, so I'm cooking. That's my ribeye steak. So I'm flipping it. Alright. Alright, look at that steak. It's looking good. Alright, I'm flipping it again. Alright, here's that one. That one has to go in there after this one. Now look how good that looks. Yeah. Alright, that's my ribeye steak, you guys. You put it in the skillet with butter.